Hello YouTube. This is the Modern Fango Industry Ceiling Fan. The person who made Roblox. You guys want to take a guess? You can, but it's made by me. And the fan, it's a really nice fan. I did a great job making it. You can see. Oh yeah, I actually put this awesome, really cool background in the game so it makes it look glassy and make it fan look cool. Let's take away weapon thing. Let me get the top of it. There's the top of the fan. You can see the reflection. You can't really see the reflection of me, but you can see the reflection of the background, which is really cool. That's what was supposed to be for the light. My friend Josh says these fans have uplights, but I do not know if they do. Actually, they do. But anyways, I'm going to put it on low. Alright. It took me a long time to make this fan work right because I had to fix it. And when I first made it, it was kind of big and didn't look like a Modern Fan Cone Industry. So I fixed it, and now it looks like Modern Fan Cone Industry. Now it looks smaller. I'll put it on medium. 0 is medium. It's a really nice fan, though. Really decent. And yeah, here's high. Oh yeah, something wrong with the reverse switch. I cannot reverse it because it's not click detectable. Should I reverse it? No more fans, it's just this one fan. Yep. Yeah. It doesn't move that fast and high, I don't know why. I mean, it does move that fast, I really don't know. The top of it. I want to see something really cool. Close the fan. Alright. Let me zoom out here. Is that cool? Like it's flying up in the sky. Yeah, that's really cool. Yeah. Don't turn this fan off. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.